How to change WhatsApp group so only admin can post. First, open the WhatsApp app. Click on top right 3 dots and create new group. Then add members in group. Write group name. You can see our group is created. Then click on profile icon. Click on top right 3 dots and select group permission. Then turn off all the settings one by one. Especially turn off send messages setting. That's how you can change WhatsApp group so only admin can post. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.